Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Experian account on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Experian, just like how I'm about to do it right over here. And once you've searched for it, go ahead and tap on the application, download and install it onto your device, and simply go ahead and tap on open. Now, in order for you to go ahead and log in, simply tap on sign in right over here. Simply enter the 4 last digits of your SSN and your mobile phone right over here, down here, and you can simply go ahead and sign in. There's another way you can sign in, and that is by clicking on sign in other way. You can either sign in with your Apple or your Google as well, or you could just enter your username and password and get into your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.